Hello everyone, it's Nash Smith from the Nash Smith channel, and today I'm going to be showing you my forge that I have been building with my grandfather. We're building a knife today, so I think this is going to be a pretty good video. You guys are going to love this.
What do I do?
Just camera. Okay, let's go to our forge. You can already hear it from here, right? And there's our little flame torch thing. There's where we're hammering all the stuff. We're starting to shape it like a knife so far. We haven't done a lot without you guys, but
They don't seem to be doing a very good job.
sorry I haven't videoed all of what we just did, but I was hitting it with the hammer. I was planning it out. Now my grandfather is starting to make it look like a knife. Grandpa,
Yeah?
say hi to YouTube world.
Hi, YouTube world. This is the first time we ever tried to make a knife.
Yep, he's
I don't know
right.
how long it's going to turn out, but we'll see. It might take us a week to make it, but that'll be all right.
Yeah, it might take us a couple hours or days or so.
I want you to beat just the end of this, okay? You got your hammer?
Yep, I got it up and ready. I was born to do this, guys.
Okay.
I was born to build stuff because I'm a
Just the
country.
end. Just at the end. That's it. I'll give a couple.
Oh, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold. Pretty cold. I tell him if it's cold or not, it's like forging fire. Seriously, this is actually a really tough for us.
I gotta shape it a little bit more, okay?
Okay. This is actually really tough for us to do this. Serious. I'm serious right now. It's really tough. Well, we'll just, we'll see you guys when my grandfather is done shaping this. Okay, Grampy? Say it now. Grampy?
Huh?
Say it now.
Say what?
How do you start it off with your
Started off with a little round piece of 3/4 inch metal, 3/4 round stuff.
Yep.
That's
So
what we
we've
started
been
with.
doing this for like 2 hours, I think. What is
We're
it?
drawing
2
out,
hours?
making it into a knife.
What is it? 2 hours?
No.
Have we been doing? Hey, I think there's a bug on my camera. Nope, there isn't. But I saw a bug
I think an hour.
climbing on you guys, but I guess maybe. Okay. So, Grampy,
Yeah?
how hard is it to do all this?
It's really hard. Especially if we don't have anybody showing us how to do it. We're just doing it as best we can, hey?
Yeah, since how I figured out to do this, I like first said, oh, maybe we can do this because we watched this show that's called Forge and Fire, and it's like they build different weapons and they like cut things, slice things, elbows of a pig. Yeah. It's how them pigs die. But I eat bacon. Hey!
Go ahead. Go ahead.